The Samsung Galaxy SmartTag2 is a Bluetooth tracker that helps you find lost items. It uses a combination of Bluetooth Low Energy, BLE, and ultra-wideband, UWB, technology to provide accurate tracking, even indoors. The Galaxy SmartTag2 is also water-resistant, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged if it gets wet. Here are some of the key features of the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag2. Ultra-wideband, UWB, technology for accurate indoor tracking. Bluetooth Low Energy, BLE, for long-range tracking. IP67 water-resistant. Up to 500 days of battery life, with power-saving mode can be used to find your phone or other compatible devices. Works with Samsung SmartThings Find. If you're looking for a way to keep track of your belongings, the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag2 is a great option. It's easy to use, reliable, and can help you find your lost items quickly and easily.